morning and welcome to Radio Silent Play on this Wednesday, September 1st, 2021. Let me start off by just giving you a brief disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. Anything that I say or mention is for educational purposes only. I may or may not hold some of the positions that I mentioned. Please remember to do your own research before trading any stock or options. Trading stocks and options require lots of risk. So hopefully you guys can hear me because it is pretty rainy out here. But I just want to go over something that's majorly happening right now. You remember how I used to tell you guys that Ethereum is basically a leading indicator to what Bitcoin is doing, but now it's outperforming Bitcoin and it's actually kind of leaped ahead of Bitcoin as far as gain wise. So this is an article that was posted today, September 1st, 2021 at 11:42 a.m. and it says cryptocurrencies, NFTs, DeFi boost for Ethereum dims clamor of Bitcoin maximalists. So it's starting to garner a lot more attention right now. Ethereum is starting to garner a lot more attention than Bitcoin. Over here it says that Ether has gained 350% this year versus Bitcoin's 60% advance. August marked Ether's second monthly rise and best since April. So what we're seeing is that these contracts, anything Ethereum as far as NFTs, blockchains, they're garnering a lot of attention right now. Surging demand for NFTs and DeFi apps is allowing backers of Ethereum to dampen the cacophony of Bitcoin maximalists who have long claimed that only the original cryptocurrency matters. Ether, the native token of the most used blockchain, jumped 36% in August, more than doubled 13% return for holders of the biggest digital asset by market value during the same period. So far this year, Ether is outperforming Bitcoin by the widest margin going back to at least 2018. We still understand that it is a barometer. Okay, so I expect Bitcoin to continue to go up higher, but we're seeing these news. Why Bitcoin related and Ethereum related stocks are rising. And then they talk a little bit about Mara, Riot, and Coin. Okay, so understanding this and now looking at the Ethereum USD to dollar weekly chart, you're seeing that we're trading about that above that 8 and 21 day moving average with a bullish engulfing candle. Now, the last major move that we had was, I'm going to say about 42, see exactly what we hit, 43.79.79. A break above 43.79.79 is going to be massively bullish for Ethereum. Okay, so now what we want to do is we want to start looking for stocks that are related to Ethereum. I wasn't so vocal about this stock, which is EPAS, but I think it's time. And why do I think it's time now? Because if you notice here, we attempted to break this line trend, okay, or this line break, and we failed. We came below it. This was after the move from 15 cents. The stock rallied from about 0.026, and then we hit that 8.5. And then we started on a massive downtrend. Every time we attempted to break this level, we failed. We failed here, okay, back between May, and then we failed again here. But now you're starting to see a break, and what we're seeing here is an 8 into 21 MA cross. This is very rare for this to happen. Take a look at this MACD. It is divergence, but there actually we have, okay, this MACD, the black line and the purple line going in the same direction. Very rare, but in this case, it's very, very bullish. If you see the 200-day moving average, it's at 0.028. So you have a lot of room. And remember, the last time that we rallied from these levels, 0.014 to 0.016, from that same level, it's an anniversary number, right? Because that's when we rallied to 15 cents. Now what I want to show you is the pattern that we're seeing. We're seeing this wedge pattern, and it's holding very, very tightly, and we just broke it. Okay, that's key for you guys to understand. And now if I go to the weekly chart, this is key. Remember, this was consolidating. This is the weekly chart. Consolidating, but now we're seeing a bullish divergence. MACD from negative to positive on the weekly chart. Take a look. The last time we got above this 8-day moving average on the weekly chart, this thing rallied and hit a high of 15 cents. Now what you're noticing is a week one potential close above 143. So remember that number, 0.0143 is a key level. I almost guarantee you that that's the level that people are going to be loading this. If you're noticing, take a look. You have that blue line into red line. I could see this doing an 8 into 21 MA cross and then potentially testing that 364 level, 9 cents and 15 cents. I like this long term again. We're seeing a significant reversal here on the EPAS, which is showing us long-term potential that it's bottomed out. Now, why do I like this a lot? Okay, why do I like this a lot? Because if you notice, consistent news updates, and they're basically talking about blockchain and their tokenization, and now they're talking about their contracts with Ethereum. Okay, ePass Holdings at XenaPay generates smart contracts with Ethereum and Bitcoin for high ticket prices. Okay, so what does this mean for this company? A mission critical provider of blockchain, cryptocurrency, mobile apps, cloud-based business software solutions, and more announced today. XenaPay is adding new features. Through XenaPay wallet, users will be able to create smart contracts for buying cars, boats, homes, and other high-ticket items. This is major because you can't normally do this to buy homes. And with a potential dollar crisis, this is going to be very, very big for ePass. So this XenaPay is very, very, it's a solution that I think it's going to pave the way for payments. Okay, and if you go here, they actually updated their website and now they have their XenaPay and products here. If I come over here and I want to look at XenaPay, it talks about XenaPay farming, XenaPay plan, XenaPay wallet, XenaPay compliance, XenaPay store manager, Xena supply chain. So they're really leaning on this. Okay, if I come back and I look at the previous news, okay, they actually have, I think they have a YouTube here. Yep, on that previous, and they talk about the XenaPay here. Okay, and that's the YouTube that they just put out. And the beauty of this is that they actually start talking about what StreamPay is. So this is the StreamPay platform, and you can see this. It's a little 2-minute kind of video that you can pick, you can watch. Okay, so if I come over here, now I want to look at this StreamPay website, and it's very, very well done. So why I'm telling you this is because I'm leaning, as my Ethereum play, I'm leaning towards ePass rallying, breaking 386 based on the chart. Okay, 0.0386, and then we can see that potential move to that 8.5 cents to 15 cents. If we continue seeing the rally, we're going to start seeing this. Take a look. StreamPay wallet uses Ethereum for payments. Okay, so this is big for this stock. So I just wanted to keep you guys up to date. Okay, another stock that I want you guys to keep an eye on is something that triggered today. So these are on the top of my list, and you guys are getting it first on the Patreon, and that's Paso, P-A-S-O. And now I'm going to show you why I like the Paso. Take a look. If I come over here on PASO, we're seeing a massive reversal here, okay? Bullish 8 into 21 MA cross, and I talked to you guys about the 8 and the 21-day moving average cross. I feel that this is the most bullish signal that we have. If you look here, you're seeing the 8, which is the blue line, curling up into the 21 day moving average. A couple more days of this and we're going to see a reversal. Look at the MACD, black line into purple line, and you're seeing that MACD from negative to positive histogram. We have a 200-day moving average at 112, and this is a stock that used to trade at 11 cents. This is a telehealth stock. And why I like this a lot is because they just changed their telehealth service, and they're actually not requesting any type of health insurance, but they're going to do a flat fee. So if I come over here and I put PASO, P-A-S-O, okay, they are pink current. And if I come over here on their news, you're going to see that they just posted news recently and a lot of people kind of missed out. Patient Access Solutions, telementalhealth.com joins forces with Veterans for America First. Sadly, what's going on in Afghanistan, okay, where we've lost soldiers, this creates, stress disorder, post-traumatic stress disorder. So over here it says, Patient Access Solutions Inc., PASO, provider for healthcare financial processing and management solutions for healthcare industry, states that Veterans for America and telementalhealth.com, okay, announced this week they have joined forces to provide unlimited 24/7 mental health visits for veterans at a reduced monthly membership cost of $29.95. And they also opened up a new location in New Hyde Park, New York. And they have pictures of the place. So this is a real company, okay? And what I like about them is that they're starting to work with ketamine. If you look right here, I'm going to it says this concerted effort includes not only telementalhealth.com portal, but our new location in New Hyde Park, New York, offering additional solutions for anxiety, depression, including TMS and ketamine therapies. And these are psychedelic therapies that are up and coming right now. So this is major for this company. If I come over here and I look at the security details, very favorable. Authorized shares 2.5 billion, outstanding shares 1.8 billion with a flow of 798. I really like this setup. The chart is showing a massive reversal, okay? Your master support right now is going to be 40. 44 is going to be your support. And watch the 8 into 21-day moving average tomorrow. I am not going to be posting this, so it's going to give you opportunities to kind of start garnering your position. A break above 60, we see 0.0112. This should be a very, very nice trade. Similar to what we saw with the IGPK. Very, very nice move. It took us some time, but this is showing us a very, very nice reversal. That's all that I have for you guys. Take care, everyone.